Hello, Clovis here with UNR's Technology LLC. So today we're going to talk about class scope and method scope. So what is a class? The class is whatever we have here on the top preceded by class, and the scope starts from this accolade until the last accolade on the top here in the bottom here at line 26. This is everything inside here from the opening of this accolade, and here is inside this class scope. So these are this one and this one and this one are methods. They do perform some actions. So let's say this method name write something. Its scope is here. It starts from the beginning of the opening accolade until its end over here. So this method also calculate 2 times 2 starts from there to here, like from line 22 to line 25. So pretty much a class has a larger scope than a method, and we have a main method here who has also a scope that starts from here. Everything I highlighted is the scope of the main method. So beside that, I want to give you just an extra thing. We'll call it a method call or invocation. So we are invoking here write something so that it can do whatever which is in the scope of this method. We're calling another method here called calculate 2 times 2 to do whatever which is inside the scope of 2 times 2. So a call help us to get to execute what is inside a specific method. Let's run it and then see what's happening. You can see, hey, this is something, and then 4. But you can see here 2 times 2 is giving us 4. But we're gonna comment it now, and we're gonna see if he's gonna do some. He's gonna print out 4, but I guarantee it won't work. It won't print out 4. Just the first line is gonna be printed. As you can see, it's just the first line. There is no 4 because we're not calling this method. And here, let's comment this one and then run it again, and I want to see if it's gonna print up anything. Nothing is printing up. But once I commented one of them, so this method here is gonna execute anything which is inside the scope, and it's gonna print it up on the screen. So let's do, and then it gave us 4. So a class scope has a larger scope than a method, and the scope starts from the opening accolade to the last accolade for a method as well for a class. So to check it, be careful, just do this, and then it's going to tell you where the scope is handy. That's it.